Sa video natin ngayon ay pag-usapan naman natin itong pag-support ng Teachers Dignity Coalition sa mga bills tungkol po ito sa salary increase. Ayan, so based nga po sa post ng official Facebook page ng Teachers Dignity Coalition at ni Sir Benjo Basas, kanila pong isinaad doon na suportado po nila ang mga bills na may kaugnayan po sa ating salary increase. Ayan, so credits po sa official Facebook page ng Teachers Dignity Coalition. So kanila po natin kinuha itong information na ipinamamahagi natin ngayon sa ating video. And syempre yung mga screenshots po ng kanilang post ay sa kanila rin po ito galing. So credits po sa Teachers Dignity Coalition official Facebook page and kay Sir Benjo Basas na rin po. Okay, so ito po yung post nila. Nakalagay dyan, TDC backs bills for teachers pay hike. The Teachers Dignity Coalition TDC expressed strong support for proposed legislation seeking to significantly raise the salaries of public school teachers, calling the measures long overdue and a test of political will for both Congress and President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. House Bill number 203, authored by ACT Teacher Party List Representative Antonio Tino and Kabataan Party List Representative Rene Co, proposes a 50,000 monthly salary for entry-level public school teachers, while Senator Risa Hontiveros and Bam Aquino have respectively filed bills calling for a 15,000 and 10,000 across the board increase for all teaching and non-teaching personnel to the Department of Education. The TDC described the measures as crucial steps toward restoring dignity to the teaching profession. We welcome these bold proposals and we challenge the leadership of both houses of Congress as well as Malacanang to act with urgency and sincerity. Our teachers have waited long enough. We're not asking for too much. This is about just recognition and fairness above basic survival in today's economy, said TDC National Chairperson Benjo Basas. Basas emphasized that the call for a substantial salary hike is rooted in economic, historical, and moral grounds. A teacher one I earn just over 30,000 a month can barely keep up with the rising cost of living. Our public school teachers are among the lowest paid in government service and sadly among the lowest paid teachers in Southeast Asia, Basas added. The TDC also urged the government to complement any pay increase with other essential reforms that address the broader conditions of public education. We need a comprehensive approach and one that protects teachers from abuse, ensures manageable class sizes, institutionalizes health benefits, provides adequate allowances, and most importantly, allocates sufficient funds for all the necessities of basic education, Basas explained, citing some bills that respond to each of these concerns. The group vowed to continue lobbying for teacher welfare and educational reforms in both chambers of Congress and called on the public to support their cause. If we truly value education, we must start by valuing our teachers, not in words but through concrete policies and budget priorities, Basas concluded. Alright, so yan po muli yung na-post po ng Teachers Dignity Coalition and ni Sir Benjo Basas patungkol nga po dito sa mga bills na inihain po sa pagbubukas po ng 20th Congress tungkol nga po sa ating salary increase. So mayroon po diyan tatlong bills. Yung una yung sponsored po ng Alliance of Concerned Teachers, yung 50,000 entry level for Teacher 1. When we also have yung bills ni Senator Risa Hontiveros, yung 15,000 across the board salary increase, and then yung kay Senator Bam Aquino naman na 10,000 across the board salary increase. So hopefully yun po ay kahit isa man lang doon sa tatlong mga bills na buena manong naihain po sa pagbubukas ng 20th Congress ay maging isang ganap na batas. Alright, so dito na tatapos itong ating video ngayon mga kamestro. Kung di ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, click mo na ang subscribe button dyan para ikaw yung unang nakapanood ng mga videos na in-upload natin. Katulad dito yung mga updates pa rin about sa salary increase and other benefits sa mga teachers and government employees. And syempre, click mo na rin ang notification bell button para manonotify ka, always updated ka pag may mga bago tayong uploaded na videos. So muli, maraming salamat sa inyong panonood at pakikinig. Once again, El Maestro. See you on my next vlog. Bye-bye!
1, 2